Welcome to this 3-bedroom house for sale in Nature's Valley, South Africa for R2,500,000. Nature's Valley property close to the beach. Sole mandate: this Nature's Valley property outside Plettenberg Bay is built on a prime stand very close to the beach and lagoon. An ideal getaway forest home in this sought-after suburb within the Tsitsikamma National Park. The main house has 3 bedrooms, 2 ensuite, plus 2 garden cottages, one with a bedroom, toilet and wash basin, and the other with 3 bedrooms, toilet and shower. Nature's Valley's best value buy. Nature's Valley is a small village situated at the mouth of the Groot River at the bottom of the Groot River Pass alongside the estuary and forms part of the Tsitsikamma Nature Reserves. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.